in the rain because I have been craving rain forever to show you guys how my water feature works. And it looks like it's doing pretty good. Look at that. The water is running down off it. I'm excited because since I installed it, we probably got like 15 minutes of rain or so. And that's, I think, over a month now. So this is what I call real rain. It's raining and look at that. It's dripping down the shutters. Instead of just coming down heavily on my plants below, my cucumbers and my flowers, it's dripping down gently. And I'm liking it. Good. Guess what, guys? I'm under an umbrella. And now the wind is taking the umbrella and blowing it. So I better get myself inside. This is very exciting for me. Check that out. I love it. We'd love to hear you guys' feedback. And if you try it, give me a shout out and let me see what it looks like. Thanks for checking in.